I've been exploring MEETOVO and Perspective, two rising video conferencing platforms in 2025, and after using both, it's clear they're designed for different types of users. While they each aim to improve remote collaboration, the way they deliver their features sets them apart. MEETOVO is all about simplicity and smooth integration. It's got a very intuitive interface that makes scheduling, starting, and managing meetings incredibly easy, even for less tech-savvy users. It integrates well with common tools like calendars and task apps, and the experience is generally seamless. One of its strengths is its emphasis on security, offering end-to-end encryption and strong compliance with data protection standards. For teams who prioritize ease of use, reliability, and privacy, MEETOVO makes a strong case. Perspective, on the other hand, is a bit more advanced in terms of features. Its strength lies in enhancing communication during the call itself. You get real-time transcription, AI-powered noise cancellation, and even the option to customize your meeting layout depending on the format, whether it's a webinar, brainstorm session, or one-on-one. It's a more interactive and visually dynamic platform, which really suits users who want a more engaging and immersive meeting experience. If you're looking for a video platform that's secure, easy to use, and integrates well into existing workflows, MEETOVO is a great option. But if you care more about having rich in-meeting features and a highly interactive environment, then Perspective is the one to go with. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone weighing these two platforms, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.